Well, we know that our students are fantastically talented. There's a great deal going on. I think this is a great opportunity to celebrate it, give some awards, hear about some of the activities that we might not have otherwise known about.
Edinburgh students are doing so many incredible things, but I think it's so important that we recognise that and celebrate it, because they're going to be the ones who are going to be the real change makers in our world.
So this award means the world to me right now because I've worked really hard as a school rep this year, and it's really nice to be recognised for something that's not fancy. It's just been me working away, and it's really nice to have that acknowledged.
We've worked really hard in the past year to try and amplify marginalised voices and improve student communities. We put so much incredible effort into our work, and we go through so much growth as people and as academics. I think it's really important to recognise students that are trying to do stuff outside of their studies and trying to grow the community.
I think the award just reassures me that what I started was actually what students needed, and I also hope that getting this award makes sure that my initiative actually continues.
You stay up late nights working with the whole society, so you put in a lot of work, and it means a lot to kind of be recognised for that.